What is up, you guys? I am back with another disaster detail. Basically a cigarette on wheels. The paint was completely messed up. They're getting a new paint job. But they just needed me to make it so that the mechanics and the body shop guys can work on it. As you can see, all the cigarette ashes. We start by removing out all of the loose trash. We then move towards vacuuming, and as we were vacuuming, the scent from the carpet fibers and the array just started to smell like a big cigarette. And as we were cleaning the door panels and wiping down all the trim, we found some goodies. Take a listen.
I got. Sorry for putting your face, but oh. It's like a magic trick. It's just a never-ending thing of cards. I was going on the bloopers.
We then start extracting, and the carpet wasn't dirty, it just had cigarette smoke, even though it looks like it's coming clear, which it is, but it has cigarette smell whenever you extract it. And my whole entire garage smelled like a big cigarette. I cannot stress that enough. After we spray the carpet solution, we then agitate with our soft white drill brush. Now, with everything on the interior done, we let that dry while we work on the exterior, starting with the tires, using our degreaser and our stiff bristle brush. Here we are using iron decontamination on the wheels because we noticed that it had a lot of brake dust. And as you can see in the video, it turns purple. We then start the pre-rinse with just our pressure washer and our water, just to get off all the dirt, junk, grime. And again, guys, this is not going to be a showroom car by any means, at least right now. After the paint job, probably will be, but not right now. We just wanted to throw some extra topping on the cake. We soak the car with our Meguiar's wash and wax. We then wash it with the microfiber towel method. Shout out to Immo NYC. We don't redunk the towels. We just use fresh ones. But yeah, then again, also, this is not by any means going to be a showroom car. We're just putting the icing on the cake. That's all. This is also cool. A Monte Carlo Super Sport 2002 engine. Hi, babe. If you guys made it this far, comment down below where you guys are watching from, and roll the cinematics. I'll see you guys next week.